Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper banger. It's very simple and it's very easy. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're just going to want to fold your paper in half, probably this way, like this. It doesn't matter if it's not very good, that is fine. Mine isn't the best, but so then what you want to do is you just fold this bit over here, like this. A nice crease, so it will look like that. Do that on the other side here, like this. So you got this, and now you want to just turn it over like that, and just do the same thing, like this. My folds aren't very good, but that is fine. You just do this. So now I have got this. And now this is the last step, super simple. Fold it over like this. Done. That is how to make a paper banger. Now what you want to do, you just hold it here, on the pointy bit, and just smack it on the table. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed how to make a paper banger. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.